Review the arrangement for increased level of environmental emission. There is no environmental emission, so not applicable. In construction, we have got construction year emergency, environment management plan. So, okay. Determine if the system is in place to manage the HSE critical register. So, tell me one thing, Nishad, do you have HSE critical equipment here? And do you have HSE critical register?
So for
Any FNG?
So FNG, sir, still we have not done anything because that is related to harmonic filters, not for SS9.
Okay, so it is not applicable, right?
Yes.
Why?
And no HSE critical equipment are part of this project.
Sorry, sir.
Was there any HSE critical equipment or activity identified as a part of scope?
No, sir, nothing as specific. It is fire and gas systems. We have that one for harmonic filters. Sir. For substation 9, we did not have that one for VFTs.
Okay, but Nishad, one question. Have you bothered to check the HSE register, existing HSE register?
So that register we have maintained for only our fire extinguishers and this other equipment like the TWL machine and all we have maintained in that register, sir.
No. Have you seen the existing HSE register? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, so that means there is a gap. So, Nishad, I think we need to review the existing HSE register and need to find out whether is there any impact from this project on existing HSE